Tuve el honor de intercambiar camisetas con muchos jugadores. Pero hay personas con quien nunca lo hice, a quienes admiro muchísimo. Ustedes, los fans.
So what does soccer mean to you and how did it change your life?
My father wanted to be a professional soccer player, but he didn't have resources. Thanks to him, I'm playing soccer. Thanks to him, I got a scholarship to come to the United States. Now, I help young female players get athletic scholarships. He would have been super proud. But I know he's watching from the sky.
Are there any players that you admire out there?
I love Messi. He doesn't want to be remembered for being a professional player. He wants to be remembered by the way he is with people.
¿Tú quieres ver el dibujo?
Sí. I'm nervous.
Check it out. ¿Qué crees?
Wow. I'm with Messi.
Yeah, that's you and Messi.
A ver, ¿lo puedo ver? Estaba escuchando tu entrevista, todo lo que tuviste que hacer, muy emocionante.
Bro, what is this?
¿Podemos cambiar la camiseta?
Sí.
Me alegro mucho de conocerte. Gracias.